We are here today just to tell you about an amazing story that happened to our foundation. Copper Rain exists to help Arizona families battling a childhood cancer diagnosis. And we get the privilege to adopt a family every year who's battling childhood cancer. And last year, our family was Lilly and her family.
Hi, my name's Haley. This is my husband, Logan, and then this is Lilly and Violet and Riley. We're the McCleve family. Lilly has been on a journey for the last 18 to 20 months. She was diagnosed with a inoperable brainstem tumor. And we were given a pretty poor prognosis when we first were diagnosed. I decided not to go back to work once Lilly was diagnosed. Logan is a realtor, entrepreneur. So we were very blessed to be in a position where we could all go together as a family and go to Memphis and start Lilly's treatment.
Right about that time, Lilly started having the medicine, the chemo started working and doing its job. And she started shrinking the tumor and she started feeling better. And Haley shared with them that we kind of had this bad news and this big financial burden was upon us.
I wasn't sure if I was going to go on this direction, but here we go. My dad passed away during our time with Lilly's family. And I'm driving down the road the day after my dad passed, and I heard a commercial for Goettl. And at the time, I didn't even know what company it was. But what I did hear is, we're an air conditioning company. We will do the right thing every time. Even if it's the hard thing, we'll do the right thing. And I am sitting in the car bawling my eyes out because I missed my dad. But then I remembered that Lilly's family needed an air conditioning unit.
Chelsea felt impressed to call and say, just say, hey, is there anything you guys can do? This is our family we're sponsoring. This is what's going on.
Sunday afternoon, we were watching football and I got a call, hey, we got your message and we want to help. So they talked to Logan and they came out, they checked the unit, and within 3 days, I got a call back and he said, hey, yeah, that air conditioning unit needs to be replaced and we'd like to do it for you. And I paused because I was like, oh my gosh, we can't afford that. And he said, we're donating the unit to the family. And I am a woman of lots of words. I'm never speechless. And I was. I couldn't believe a company was going to be so kind and so excited to help. And they were here within days, and replaced that unit immediately with nothing in return. They didn't ask for anything. They just wanted to help the family.
What we were able to do for this family really hit home for me because my daughter is a cancer survivor, just like Lilly. So we have a lot in common. I understand what it's like to be a family and go through this hard time. So it means everything to me. It means a lot to my family that Goettl, the place I work at, is able to reach out to the community and help those in need.
Helping families in need and serving others in our community is really what the home services and the trades is all about.
They just gave so much to us to be able to give to Lilly and her family to keep them all cool and safe in this Arizona heat that we live in. And we're just very appreciative for everything they've done.
I just want to thank Goettl. We want to thank Copper Rain and everybody that's helped us through this journey, because it's made it a journey that we've grown a lot, and we're just incredibly thankful.